Hello, this is Garance. This video is about my teams for the Peros Peros treasure map. But firstly, I wanted to explain you why this is the first video on my YouTube channel where I'm talking. So for people who already follow me on Twitch, you know that I talk in English and also in French, depending on the people on the chat. And that's why I never did any video on YouTube only talking in French or in English. I didn't want to do it just for one language. And the issue is that it takes more investment to do video in English and also in French. That's why I didn't want to do it. But as several people already asked me since several years, and also recently, I finally decided to do one video, and then it will depend on the feedbacks. So let me know if you like the video, and also if you would like more video like this, if this is just for the event like treasure map, or if you would like some video where I talk about the monthly points event, blitz, it could be garb challenges, it could be forest, or also the upcoming characters, the updates. It could also be about the Sugo Fest, the steps, what I think, if this is worth to pull or not. So let me know, and depending on your feedback, I will see if I do other video in English and in French, because I already made this video in French, and then it only depends on you. So now I'm going to show you my teams. I'm not going to present you the character, that's not the most important, and if you really want it, I could talk about him on Twitch. So all my teams are for the New World difficulty, but or the New World League. Call it as you wish. But you can use it as well for the other leagues without any issue. So against Jack, at the beginning I will use a buggy team, but if the health scale as the previous treasure map, it won't be possible to use it a long time. Maybe from what I checked on the database, it should be like 10, 15 or 20 levels, not more. You can change if you want Luffy or Zoro by Corazon Legend if you have maxed the special cooldown reduction, or if you have the Peros Peros support, you can add it on the Big Mom and remove Brook, because as you can see, I will use the Luffy and Zoro to kill stage 1 and 2, and then stage 3 you can use Brook and then Big Mom once and then twice when it will be needed. And after I will use another team. I'm going to show you. This is this one. This one, yes. So I will use the O Jackson ship, and first stage I will use the Luffy super type, then Zoro special to kill the mobs and give the orb boost for 3 turns. Final stage Brook, and at the beginning it will be enough. Then if you need more damage, you can use the low special to give the chain boost. You also have the Yogoro to give you color affinity boost. But honestly, I took Yogoro mainly for the points. When I will need a color affinity boost, I will use the Frankie free to play, because his special is faster to use. So I advise you to use Frankie instead of Yogoro if you want fast team. And if that's fine for you, you can use Yogoro. That's not a big deal, honestly. Then against King, if you want to get more points, you can use double Queen as captain, but personally, I prefer to go with Oden as his captain ability is way better. And at the beginning, I will use the Oro Jackson because you have burn, but at the beginning, I think for I don't know how many levels, but maybe 10s or 20 levels, it will be possible to hit only with Oden without using Queen. And then I will use Queen to remove burn and Akainu support to give an 1.5 attack boost. If you don't have the Akainu support, that's not a big deal. You can use another attack booster. And if you don't have Kinemon, you can use someone else to get the super type, like Shutenmaru Coliseum or Gyokimaru Coliseum or Nekomoshi Coliseum. The best would be Shutenmaru, as it also gives you an attack boost. And Zoro is there to clear stage 1 and 2. And Luffy, it will only be for the high levels, as it gives you a 3.5 chain lock and also reduce defense to 0, which is perfect with Queen, who can give the conditional defense boost. And otherwise, you can use the free-to-play Jack on Queen if you don't have Luffy or if you want to use him on another team. And if you want more damage, you can use the Shark ship instead of the Oro Jackson. I will do it later. Then for Queen, I will use Zoro. So you need to max his cooldown limit break ability. Otherwise, it won't be ready. And to get the super type, I have Brook in the team. I won't use his special, but you can use it if you don't have the Luffy support, because this support gives you the matching orbs for the last stage, because it makes strength, int, and some other orb beneficial. And otherwise, so for this team, first stage I will use the Zoro super type, second stage Zoro super type, last stage Zoro special, and Teach special. At the beginning it will be enough, and then if you need, you could use Koala special for the attack boost. You can also save one super type for the last stage and use for example, use Fujitora stage 1, one super type stage 2, and save the last super type for stage 3. And you can also use Brook if you don't have the Luffy support to give you the matching orbs and also a chain boost. And as well, you could use the Shark ship later. Then against Kaido, I will use Koala, because you also have a special reverse. I didn't say it before, but you have special reverse against Queen, but that's only for the subs and not for the captain. That's why I'm using Zoro. And there, this is for the whole team, so it will be easier with Koala, as she can get rid of the special reverse. And also at the end, you will also have battling matching orbs, and with her captain ability, she also managed to make this orb beneficial. And I will use Caesar to clear stage 1 and 2, and for the high levels, I will kill the first stage with regular attacks, and I will use his special on stage 2 and save the last one for stage 3 to get the conditional boost. And important things, you have to use Jack on stage 2 to give you a 2.75 chain lock for the last stage, otherwise you will get a very bad chain lock. I think this is 1.1, something like that. And you have Drake to remove the damage threshold, but if you have already maxed the Marigold PvP, you can use air. I didn't max air, but once it will be done, I will use her instead of Drake because she gives you 1.35 points. And I have Koala to give the color affinity boost, and Kizaru attack boost, cut health, and Zoro support for the orb boost. So you are fine with it, and you can also as well use the shark ship later if you want. Finally, for the boss all-in, I will use this team with Carrot and Vanda as friend captain. So you have to choose Carrot as friend when you start the quest. Then stage 2, you have to use Bon-Clay and select the green color, and you can just stay with the same classes, but if you want, you can change and select fighter and slasher, but that's not really needed, honestly. That's fine, fighter and free spirit. You don't have to change. The support Mr. One and Double Finger is just there to give some chain boost, but that's not needed. Then you have the Shanks and Buggy to remove the paralysis and also gives an attack boost. Moria is there to remove the resilience, but later you could use the new treasure map Peros with Sweet Commander support, but it also requires to have the Yasop limited recruit from Kizuna support to remove the 3 despair turns. And so I'm going to let you know which special you have to use on stage 2. So as I said, this is Bon-Clay first, then Shanks Buggy. After you have to switch on Newgate. Then you can use Moria, and you can kill. Did I say that you have to use Bon-Clay? Okay, let's do it again, finally. So, on stage 2, firstly, you use Bon-Clay, you change the color to green, then you use Shanks and Buggy. After you switch to Whitebird, then you use Moria, and final stage, you will use firstly you will switch to Vanda, then you use the special. After you use Tashigi, then you switch to let me check, this is Roger. Yes, you switch to Roger, and it will gives you the 3 time attack boost and 2.5 color affinity boost, and you will have also the 2.5 orb boost with Carrot and Vanda, and then you have to use the Bon-Clay super type to get the chain lock. But once you will have Peros, if you replace Moria by Peros, you will have to use the super type before and change Bonclet to the blue color. But at the beginning, do as I said, and hit all your perfect with the character, and then the final tap has to be with Vanda, as this is the only character who can go through the golden shield. And for the Peros invasion, I will use this team with Carrot and Vanda as captain. You have to select Vanda, yes. On stage 2, firstly you switch to Carrot, then you use Oden special, after you use Carrot special, then Tashigi to remove 4 turns of damage threshold and gives you color affinity boost. After Rayleigh and Gaban to remove the attack down. And then you have to switch to Whitebird. And finally use Bonclet to remove paralysis and gives 2 turns at base attack boost. So on the stage 2 first turn you use almost everything. And thanks to that, on the second turn, all the characters will be able to hit the boss. And on the second turn, you have to switch again on Roger, yes, and kill. And then final stage, you will have to switch to Vanda, use the special. And after you will switch to Whitebird, use the special, and and after that you have to use the Oden super type to give you 1 orbs and 1000 base attack, and you have to hit all your perfects and hit last with the Vanda as well. And I'm going to show you my team for the high levels, but I'm not going to explain it because I won't have the time on this video. But if you want, I will show the team on Twitch. So against All-In, after the team, it will be this one with as well the new Peros instead of the Kizuna Peros. And the important support are the Sweet Commanders and Yasop, as I already told before. And in this one, you have to use Oden support because it will be with Inuarashi friend captain. And against Peros, my team, I have 2 teams. I have this one, but I think not many people have the Vivi support, but it doesn't really matter honestly, and also the Morley maybe, but you can just use this one. This is close in terms of damage, so just use this one with the Pedro support to remove attack down 2 turns and another 2 turns, but you just need 3 turns with the Joe's support, Mr. One and Double Finger for the paralysis, and Sabo support for the chain boost on the last stage, but you can do without Sabo, is not needed. However, the 3 other support are needed. And I will show this team and this one on Twitch if you need it. And I wish that you have enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to ask me anything in the video. If that's not too late, I will try to reply you in the comments. And if I don't have the time, just come on Twitch and I will explain you what you want to know, and let me know about the other video if you would like to see some stuff, and depending on your feedbacks, I will see if I do more video where I talk or just if I stop. Well then, we are done for this video. I'm going to stop and see you tomorrow for the Tweezer map on Twitch, and also during the Tweezer map all the days if you are there. And thanks for watching. See you later.